Whether you have a small urban courtyard or an extensive backyard leading to a lake, seating throughout your yard and patio is an important feature of your outdoor design. The first consideration is your personal preference. What style do you prefer? Do you like sleek and contemporary? Do you prefer comfort and coziness? Do you like to entertain? Will there be another couple, or do you want to entertain large groups? All these questions help to determine not only your landscape design, but the type of furniture you will place in that landscape. A simple and well-presented patio design generally requires little maintenance and has better functionality. Take variety into account. If you want all shapes and sizes to be diverse, this will help create visual interest. We have brought to you this collection to help you visualize what your patio could look like based on what others have already done. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. When planning to decorate your patio, start with an evaluation of the space you currently have. Is there an existing patio? Is it large enough for the number of people you would typically invite? Do you want to expand your patio or leave it as is? Don't forget about the front and side yards as well. You may want to redefine these areas when entertaining. Besides the patio, are there any other areas like a porch that could be utilized when entertaining? Do you have favorite trees and shrubs you could use for privacy? Here are some suggestions on ways to provide seating arrangements. One tip is that when designing or planning your patio, you should never sacrifice simplicity for varied spaces. This in turn will bring balance. All the ideas for small or large gardens that you use must have a certain visual weight. Balance is a way that the ideas applied in your garden feel even through all the spaces created. You can DIY your garden. Planting vegetables at home is definitely a great hobby. In addition to making good use of your gardening work, you will also save money on groceries. Sure, you may not be able to grow all the veggies you love, but there are plenty of creative ways to grow veggies without a lot of space. Try to reserve a few inches of space when designing your garden and use vegetables that grow well in small spaces like legumes, peas, lima beans, and tomatoes, for example. You could also try a water feature. Adding a wow factor to a small garden is usually a bit difficult. However, some styles of water fountains take away the worry of having a narrow space to decorate. This includes a slate waterfall water fountain. There is no doubt that slate water fountains are a remarkable element to add to your garden. You can use vertical structures which won't take up much space, although it might be a bit expensive, but it will be worth it. Of course, you can consider other forms of water feature or small ponds, but slate falls are considered unique. It is worth mentioning that there are two types of balance, the formal and the informal. Both can work well when created properly. Likewise, differentiating the color, texture, or shape in your garden is a good way to draw attention to the different areas of the space. But make sure you don't overdo it. Too much emphasis on these aspects, it can be somewhat chaotic and bring stress to your small garden. You should also be aware of the sequence, that is, how the transition of the size, textures, and shapes of the plants is used. Adding a pleasant illumination in the backyard can create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Light can be added with candles, floating ball for the pool, solar lighting, chandeliers hanged from the ceiling, pergolas, or your terrace. Avoid strong and neon lights. Although it sounds more typical and obvious, but comfortable sofas or armchairs are needed in every garden oasis. Whether it is a hammock, or with backrest, chair you choose must provide comfort. If you have a space that is covered, then consider upholstered furniture to achieve the ultimate comfortable feeling. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.